We are back at the amazing powerhouse. Tom has got this crazy idea about a particular kind of power loop dive gap thing that's in here. So I've got the smart controller. I'm going to go in, check it out. If it looks easy, I might try it, but this thing does not look easy. Oh my god, it's crazy. I think they're just eyeing up the gap. And we're standing in here because unless he does it first time, then definitely gonna have to pick the quad up a few times. It's an absolutely crazy idea. No one's even bought a quad in because we all just want to watch Tom wreck his gear.
This isn't me that came up with this is Pete. It's the power square, so it's not a power loop because you have to come under this bar and then you have to revert, like do the backwards part of the power loop over that beam, but then shoot straight across, and there is actually a gap behind that beam and the wall. And so it's like up, across, and down behind that beam.
It's very, very tight.
Yeah, the problem is that if you come, as you're coming here and going up, you don't know when to start going backwards because you're completely blind to where that beam is. So I can see you basically going underneath it or smacking into it when you're trying to power backwards. So
you got to think about how you can do it, not how you can't do it. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, sure.
That is flipping amazing.
It goes right back.
That's the full suite. Oh yeah, you got Peach,
Piranha plants.
Piranha plant,
Little
Cooper
star up there.
down there,
Little clouds.
Laquito,
Yeah, man.
Firefly. That is absolutely incredible, mate.
Thanks a lot.
Love that. I hope you got a Nintendo Switch.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Just hooking up the smart controller so we can spectate.
This is terrifying.
I'm gonna go on the other side of you with that wire.
Should be alright. Donk.
So good. Straight into it, right?
Oh, did you? I didn't see that.
Straight into the metal. It's like it's the small bit. I could have gone under or over and hit the small bit.
This is how you durability test your drone. You didn't even bend the prop.
Fuck them over there.
Nice. Wow, that's how you hit a gap. Saved it and hit the gap.
Oh man, it's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks fucking
But
solid.
that's what makes it cool.
Yeah, no, I ain't done.
Oh.
Yes. Nice power loop.
That was smooth.
Nice. Ooh, close.
That was close.
Nice, mate. Good effort. Flipping out.
We'll get there. Nah, that's dead. That's one motor down. Shaking, man.
Yeah.
Sketchy trip.
Quick switch. Quad number 2. I mean, if you're gonna wreck all your shit, don't feel pressure from us. I mean.
Nah, it's not you guys. It's myself.
I thought you were having a pee then. I mean, that on its own is an awesome trick.
Yeah, it's not awesome enough. Oh, yeah.
Have you tried just doing the little dive?
No. Oh, that's under. That's interesting. Come on.
Ooh,
Don't quite have enough back.
you just need more backwards.
There you go.
Oh, yeah!
heard it. But yeah.
Mate, you can fuck off with your heard it.
Oh my god, that came out of nowhere.
It is recording, right?
No.
Yeah, it is. YouTube.
Oh god, that moment.
Smash, but that'll just add to it, right?
It's a film.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did it. Oh my god. 2 to make it true.